Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you're clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, and either the Wi-Fi icon is completely missing, or it's there but not connecting to the internet, this guide will walk you through several proven solutions step by step. First, open the Start menu, search for Services, and click on it. Once the Services window opens, scroll down to the bottom until you find WLAN Auto Config. Double-click on it, set the startup type to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running. Then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click on the service and select Restart. Next, find WWAN Auto Config in the same list. Double-click on it as well, set the startup type to automatic, and click Apply and OK. If the service isn't running, double-click it again and press Start. Once both services are configured, close the Services window. Now open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and open it. Click the drop-down arrow next to Network Adapters. Here you should see your Wi-Fi adapter listed, usually with Wi-Fi in the name. Right-click on it, select Disable Device, and confirm by clicking Yes. After a few seconds, right-click on it again and choose Enable Device. Once that's done, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Check to see if your network appears and connects properly. If the issue is still not resolved, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Network and Internet, and then click on Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and choose Network Reset, then click Reset Now and confirm by pressing Yes. After this, restart your computer. If Wi-Fi is still not showing up, try a full power reset. Shut down your computer completely. Once it's off, disconnect all power cables. If you're using a laptop, unplug the charging cable as well. Then press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds to drain any remaining power. After that, reconnect everything and turn your computer back on. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the Wi-Fi issue on Windows 11. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.